This troubleshooting guide you will learn how to fix not connected. No connections are available in Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. Do not miss any steps.
First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type the following command then press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Press Next. Now close the window and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Press OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Uninstall device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed.